Hello everyone, welcome back. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe the channel. Then I will get more interest to do another videos like generative AI and agentic AI in the future sessions. Okay then, in the previous lesson, we learned how to filter data. Today we will learn how to modify our data frame. What? How to modify our data frame. We will learn three things here. One is adding a column and another one is removing a column and renaming a column. These operations are very common when preparing real world data for a machine learning. Let us see it in the practical way. Yeah, first we have to load our data set here. Shift enter. I already explained you in the previous lessons. Just if you want you can go and check it, okay? Now if I want to see my data set, I'll print. Shift enter. Yeah, we got our data set here. What? We got our data set. And here the next one is adding a new column. What? Adding a new column. Let us create a simple column called age plus 1. Means age plus 1. It means age here. 18 plus 1, 19. 17 plus 1, 18. 15 plus 1, 16. Like that. Now here here observe one thing here. Here right side. Here we are creating a completely new column. Here the right side df of age plus 1 takes every value in the age column and adds 1. It will takes the every value in the age and adds 1 here. And on the left side and here the left side df of age plus 1 creates the new column which is this. Okay, which is this. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Dot head. I already explained you in the previous lessons. Dot head. Shift enter. Now we will get the 5 rows. 18 plus 1, 19. 17 plus 1, 18. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Like that. Now if we want to see this age plus 1 in the data set, you have to print it. Print df. Here observe one thing. Here previously we don't have age plus 1 column. But now we have age plus 1 column here because we already created, right? We already added the column. That's why. And the next one is creating a column from 2 columns or 3 columns or 4 columns, whatever you want. Just for an example, I'm taking grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. Now I'm getting average for these 3. Once watch this line here. df of average grade equal to df of grade 1 plus grade 2 plus grade 3. Now let us run this here. Shift enter. Again, if you want to see that output, shift enter. Yeah, we got the average grade here. Now we have average grade in the data frame. Okay. And the next one is creating pass fail column. What? Pass or fail column. Let us create something more meaningful here. Here observe one thing. Creating a pass or fail column means it will tells whether the student fails or pass in the exam. Just for an example only. Okay. Now let us create something more meaningful here. df of passed equal to df of grade 3 greater than or equal to 10. And here observe one thing. Grade 3 greater than or equal to produce boolean value here. G3 greater than or equal to 10 produces a boolean value. Like if the condition is true, it will return true. And if the condition is false, it will return false. Like this. Wait a second. Grade 3. Here 6 is greater than 10? No. Right? So it is false. And here 6 is greater than 10? No. It is false. Like that. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Now if you want to see the output, print df. Yeah. Now we got the output. It produces the boolean values. True or false. Now remember one thing. Now if we want the actual text. What is the actual text here? Pass or failed. Passed or failed, right? On that time, we will use small function which is called lambda. What? Which is called lambda. Here, df of result equal to df of g3 dot. I applied lambda function. Here we are applying a small function to the every value of grade 3. What? Grade 3. Here, if the grade is at least 10, it returns pass. Otherwise, it returns fail. Okay, and don't worry about this lambda. It looks unfamiliar. We will visit it separately if needed. For now, just understand the logic. Okay, for now, just understand the logic. Now, let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, congratulations. Now we got no X. Wait a second. Shift enter. Yeah, now we got the again it is showing like that. Shift enter. Yeah, now we got the failure pass, the actual test here. And the next one is removing a column. Removing a column. Suppose we no longer needed with this age plus 1 here. Once observe this. Here we have age plus 1. Now we have to remove the column. On the time we will use dot drop. Df equal to df dot drop and writing the column name. What? Writing the column name. Shift enter. Yeah. It removes the wait a second. Shift enter. Shift enter. Yeah, it removes the age plus 1 column from the data set. Okay. Now if you want to remove the multiple columns, on the time we will now here we have past comma result. Result. Shift enter. Shift enter. Yeah. Now we already removed the remove and past columns. Okay. And the next one is renaming a column. What? Renaming a column. And here observe one thing. Df equal to df dot rename. What? Rename. Columns equal to G3. You have to give the name and you have to keep the changing another name. Final grade. Wait a second. Yeah. Shift enter. Now here observe one thing. G3. What is the G3 here? Yeah, it is the G3. Now it is changed into the final grade. Let us see the output. Shift enter. Shift enter. Where is the G3? Yeah, it is already changed, right? Final grade. Now renaming the multiple columns. Now if you want the G1 to the first grade and G2 to the second grade and G3 to the final grade, on the time we will use like this. Shift enter. Like this. Yeah. G1 is updated into first grade, G2 second grade and G3 final grade. Okay. And I hope you understand. In the next video, we will learn how to sort the data in Pandas. And please subscribe the channel. If you support me, I will get more interest, and I will make more videos like this in the previous in the upcoming lessons. Thank you.